Let's first recall how
The Young Indiana Jones Chronicles. The Young Indiana Jones Chronicles. Lockie Leonard. Lockie Leonard. The Good Witch. Voltron, Legendary Defender. Voltron, Legendary Defender. Costume Quest. Costume Quest. Cleopatra in Space. Cleopatra in Space. Star Trek: The Next Generation. Star Trek: The Next Generation. Mixels. StarBeam. StarBeam. Justice. Where's Waldo? Emily's Wonder Lab. Emily's Wonder Lab. The Astronauts. Tig N Seek. Tig N Seek. Oobi. Oobi. Into the Unknown, Making Frozen 2. Transformers: Titans Return. Transformers: Titans Return. Transformers: Cyberverse. Transformers: War for Cybertron Trilogy. Nick News with Linda Ellerbee. Nick News with Linda Ellerbee.
To understand how this can be done, let's first
Kid
recall
Cosmic.
how regular one-track recording is accomplished.
Kid Cosmic. Star Wars Rebels. Star Wars Rebels. Wizards Tales of Arcadia. The Batman. The Batman. Hanazuki, Full of Treasures. Wolverine and the X-Men. Wolverine and the X-Men. TrollsTopia. TrollsTopia. Ned's Declassified School Survival Guide. World of Dance. 3 Below. Tales of Arcadia Entertainment. Transformers: Cybertron. The Next Step. The Next Step. Lizzie McGuire. Lizzie McGuire. Cousins for Life. Cousins for Life. MythBusters. MythBusters. Spirit Riding Free. Spirit Riding Free. Adventure Time. Trollhunters: Tales of Arcadia. Craig of the Creek. Craig of the Creek. We bear bears. We bear bears. She-Ra and the Princesses of Power.
To understand how this can be done,
MythBusters
let's quickly call how
Jr.
regular one-track recording is accomplished.
Kids Baking Championship. Kids Baking Championship. Steven Universe Verse. Spirit Riding 3 Riding Academy. Just Ed Magic Mystery City. Raven's Home. Raven's Home. Avatar: The Last Airbender. Gravity Falls. Gravity Falls. Project MC2. Project MC2. Victorious. Victorious.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.